Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 6 candid new trends in English grammar and compositions. Okay, so I have got many requests from Ayushi Singh, Sima Singh and also Jitendra Kumar Singh. Okay, so if you have not watched the exercise of the chapter number 15 active and passive, then you can also go to the playlist sections and you can get this video. Okay, so here start this lesson. So here the chapter number 12 expressing the past and the present. So here page number 68, use the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Okay, so here the answer, India won the World Cup cricket tournament in 1983. That means this action happened in the past. Okay, so here the simple past tense will be used here. India won the World Cup. Then next the newspaper revealed. Okay, revealed the truth. Then next, did you like the latest film? Next, Lakshmi Bai didn't surrender before the British. The new company registered a new profit of 25%. Then next, the servant cut his finger while cutting onions. Then next, did you borrow money to buy this car? Our leader defeated his rival by 2000 votes. The company withdrew the defective cell phone battery last week. Nobody paid any attention to the latecomer. Okay, so if you have not watched the structure of all the tenses, you can go to the here. Okay, so here you can go to the playlist section. Okay, here you can go to the playlist sections. So here you can here the time and tense for all classes. Okay, so here you can get all the structure. Okay, so here you can get all the structure has been mentioned in this sentence. Simple. Okay, so just I skip. You can get here all the structure of the present tense, past tense and also future time. Okay, the next thing as we did in England at that time, that was important for my parents and my brother, and I was familiar with our Indian culture, our history and our roots. My parents steered us towards the serialized epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata on television, which recorded and watched with us every Sunday. My brother and I are fascinated with each episode and waited eagerly for Sunday to come, just as we did for our favorite cartoon show Tom and Jerry. My mother insisted that I join Bharatnatyam dance classes and that my brother learnt the tabla. My mother wore jeans at home or to the supermarket, but when we went to the temple, she dressed up in her beautiful cotton saree and decorated her hair with jasmine flower. This is how we kept our Indianness away from our motherland. Then next, there are certain words in bold letters in the following sentence. So you have to write a question to who is these words are answer. So here the first one answer is given. My uncle lived at 10 Halley Road. Okay, so here the answer. Where did your uncle live? Then next, Navas project won the first prize. Okay, so this is possessive noun apostrophe has been used here. So whose project won the first prize? Then next, the traffic police fined him for rash driving. So why did the traffic police fine him? Then next, Prabal was absent yesterday because he had high fever. Why was Prabal absent yesterday? Then next, the CBI conducted an inquiry into the scandal. Who conducted an inquiry into the scandal? Then next, the party chose Mr. Basu to be the leader. Whom did the party choose to be the leader? Okay. Then next, my friend sprained his ankle in a shopping mall. Where did your friend sprain his ankle? Then next, Malvika knew your weakness. What did Malvika know about you? China invaded India in 1962. Who invaded India in 1962? Then next, the new metal attracted one and all. What attracted one and all? Then next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Simple past tense, or you can use past continuous. So here, my friends were playing video games when I saw them. Means the first action is continuing. We were playing video games. Then I saw, this is the second action. While the servant was dusting the books, he found a 100 rupee note. That means the first action is continuing. The servant was dusting, and the second action, he found a 100 rupee note. We were having dinner when the light went up. That means at the time when we are having dinner, at that time the light went off. Then next, the officer was taking bribe when the vigilance caught him red-handed. That means the first action here, the officer was taking bribe. Here the past progressive. Then the second action, the vigilance caught him. Then next, Raghav was running after the boss when he hit upon something hard. So here the first action was continuing. That means Raghav was running, and the second action, he hit upon something hard. Our principal came in when our teacher was explaining the point. That means at the first action, the teacher was explaining the point. At that time, the principal came. Here the simple past. Then next, the telephone bell rang when the doctor was going to the operation hall. That means here, at the time when the doctor was going to the operation hall, that is the first action, and here the telephone bell rang. This is the second action. Then next, some students were copying from slips when the flying squad entered the exam hall. That means which action is the first? Here the first action is the students were copying, and at the same time the squad entered the exam hall. This is the second action. Then next, it started raining when we started the game. That means when we started the game, at the same time the rain also started. So here simple past tense will be used. She was working on her project when the director ordered her to take the other project. Okay, so here she was working on her project. This action is continuing. That means here this is the first action, and the second, here the director ordered her to take the other project. Then next, fill in the blanks with the simple past tense or past perfect tense. Here, we had left the building before it caught fire. So here the early action is we left the building, and the latter action is before it caught fire. That means we have already left the building before it caught fire. Anchit Maha remembered that he had left front door unlocked. That means here the first action is he had left the door unlocked, and the second action, he remembered. Okay. Then next, the Australian team had won the toss and elected to bat. She lost her last chance, so she had to repent. The shopkeeper had opened the seal before he sold it to the customer. That means here the first action, he had opened, and the second action, then he sold. The paramilitary forces had cut the cut. Okay, not catch here. The paramilitary forces had caught the militants before they did any harm. So here the first action, they had caught, and the second action here, before they did any harm. Then next, he caught a sorry figure because he had done something wrong. So here the earlier action is he had done something wrong, and the second action, he caught a sorry figure. Then next, Sahana had prepared the dinner before her favorite TV serial started. Okay, so here first action, earlier action is hard prepared. Then second, the TV serial started. The new film had faced much criticism before it flopped at the box office. So here the earlier action is the film had faced much criticism, and the next action is it flopped. The students deposited the money for the picnic. Okay, then next, change the form of change the verbs in the bracket to the past perfect, past simple, or past perfect continuous. Here, she had been cooking the meal for over an hour when we arrived at the house. Okay, Then next, I had discussed the matter with my headmaster before I wrote to my father. So here the earlier action is I had discussed the first. I had discussed the first. So here then second I wrote to my father. She had been studying French for 2 years when she went to Paris. By 10 o'clock, the players had been playing for 3 hours. He said that the window had been broken while he was on holiday. Then next, my English teacher gave me a good report last term. This is simple past, okay. Then next, the fire had already destroyed much of the building when the firemen arrived. Then next, it was rumored that a member of parliament had been shot. The water had been boiling for 10 minutes when the cook poured it on the tea leaves. Then next, the little girl cried because somebody had snatched her chocolate. So here the first action, someone had first snatched her chocolate, then the little baby cried. Then next, fill in the blanks with simple past or present perfect continuous verb. Science has given us many amenities of life. Our principal honored the topper yesterday. Her father has shifted his business to another city. Divesh came to the college in the morning, but he has not attended any classes so far. He was in the library when he lost his purse. The next, I have applied for this job but haven't got any call letter. Her father has left much money for her in the will. They bought a new cell phone last week. Then next, I met my friend yesterday and informed, okay. So here informed, not have, okay, only informed. Then next, have you cleared all your dues? The next exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Our teacher, okay, has been teaching in this school since 2002. So this is present perfect continuous, okay. Tentants have been living in our house for many years. Virat Kohli has been bowling since 10 a.m. Have you been reading comics for 5 years? India has been facing the problem of terrorism for many years. Okay, so all the structure of the present tense, that means present simple, present, present continuous, present perfect progressive, and also past tense, simple past, past progressive, past perfect progressive, and also future time. All the structure has been mentioned in the another video. Okay, you can go to the playlist. The next, India. The masons have been constructing this building since 2007. The woodcutter has been felling the trees for 2 hours. Many leaders have been befooling the innocent people for many decades. This company has been supplying raw material to our company since 2001. Has your elder brother been working in Infosys since 2005? Then next, fill in the blanks with the correct tense. Either you have to use present perfect or perfect continuous. So here, she has typed all your notes. You can take them. Okay, you can use them. Then next, she has been working on the computer since 10 a.m. He is exhausted. Nokesh has been collecting stamps over since he joined this school. My raincoat is wet. I think someone has used it. Tapan has finished his work and so he is going home. Now I have collected so many stamps that I don't know where to put them. The groundsman has been mending the pitch since morning, but he is only halfway through. She has used all the milk. Nothing is left for you. The old man has been standing at the bus stop for an hour. Tell him that the last bus has already gone. Sahana has been writing for 3 hours and soon she will have to take rest. Okay. Then next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. The students had been requesting the authorities to provide pure water since last. This is okay, past perfect continuous. The child had been trying to catch the cockroach for the last 10 minutes. My friend had been waiting for me since 9 p.m. Mr. Dikshit had been teaching English for many years when he retired in 2007. His sister had been working in a bank for 5 years before her marriage. The people of this city had been suffering from malaria for many years before the media helped them. They had been robbing the people for many years when the police arrested them. Here the next, okay, 8, 9, 10. When I joined the company in 2006, my brother had been serving in the company for 6 years. Then next 9, it had been raining for 2 years when we reached Guwahati. The teachers had been protesting against the on academic policies of the government for many months. Then next here, complete the sentence using going to. Okay, going to form of the verb. So I believe it is going to rain tonight. Mitchell is going to study to be a doctor. They are going to move the factory to the suburbs. We are going to eat out tonight. John is going to take Helen to the auditorium tomorrow. We are going to visit Kashmir next week. They are going to visit us next week. Then next, the director is going to leave for Europe on Tuesday. Rohan is going to start his new project next week. All our friends are going to drive to Bangalore. The next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. That means future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous. At this time next year, he will be studying in Oxford. When you come in the evening, we will be playing football. Don't call her now. She will be delivering a lecture. If we go to their house, they will be having. Okay, they will be having dinner. If you come before 6 p.m., we will be going for a film. Okay, future continuous. It probably will be raining when you go back. If you visit Kamya at 9 p.m., she probably will be practicing the piano. It has rained heavily. The temperature will be falling down. The FIFA World Cup will be beginning next month. Get ready, your train will be leaving at 6 p.m. sharp. Then next, fill in the blanks using the future perfect tense. Here, I hope she will have taught the students by now. His wife will have prepared something special for the guest. God willing, we will have shifted to our new house. Okay, to our new house. The next, we hope you will have fared well in the exam. The temperature will have fallen considerably on the onset of the monsoons. Our soldiers will have crossed the river safely. We will have prepared well for the tournament. Her father will have retired well. Okay, so her father will have retired by the year 2017. Yes, then next, I expect you will have changed your mind by tomorrow. Vikram said will have completed his latest book by the end of this year. Then next, future perfect continuous, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Okay, so here by this time next year I will have been working for this company for 10 years. Okay, so here all have all the answers are mentioned here. Okay, the principal will have been speaking to the students since 8 a.m. When you are of my age, you will have been learning all these things for many years. In 2016, he will have been running his business for 10 years. The builders will have been constructing a shopping mall for 2 years. My mother will have been waiting for me since 8 p.m. Our school will have been running extra classes since November. By the end of this year, we will have been living in this colony for 5 years. The company will have been constructing the flyover for 2 years. Please don't make a call. My friend will have been preparing for his interview for 2 hours. Okay, to hear the answers. Then next, read the sentence and fill in the blanks. Will or won't. Okay, won't. I am starving. I think I will make some Maggi noodles. Tomorrow is my history exam. It will begin at 9 a.m. No, I have decided that I won't eat any more butter this week. So sorry, I won't be able to meet you today. Then next, complete the conversation using shall, will or won't or will. To hear the answer, take what will you do today? Shall we go out and watch movie? We use modal auxiliary shall, can, may for the seeking permission, asking permission. Then offer, request, obligations, responsibility and duties. So here offer. Okay, what will you do today? Shall we go out and watch a movie? Then talk. How much will you ticket cost? Tick. It shall cost much. I have enough money. Let's go by taxi. Boss shall take. Okay, a bus shall take ages. Ages mean a long time. Okay, ages here. Then talk, what shall I wear? This pink top will match you with my purple shorts. Then take pink and purple. Sorry, I shall go out with you. Then talk. Okay, okay, I shall put on my decent white pants. Happy. Take. Great. Let's go. Okay. This is all about the chapter number 12. Expressing the past and the present. If you find any doubt regarding the exercise, then you can also comment. If you want to know about all the structures, then you can go to the playlist sections and also watch all the structure relating to the present, past, and also future. Okay, thank you.